Perfect Darkness Tint offers certified window tint installation in Simpsonville, SC. The company uses high-quality window film to help you reduce UV radiation, save energy, and improve the aesthetic appeal of your property. Window tint is widely appreciated for its numerous benefits. Perfect Darkness Tint offers certified window tint application adapted to your unique needs. You'll benefit from working with a factory-trained master tinter with over 2 decades of experience installing high-quality film. With the latest announcement, Perfect Darkness Tint continues to expand its range of high-quality window tinting solutions for clients in Simpsonville. Founded in 2006 by certified master tinting technician Jeremy Krieger, the company has established a strong reputation for professionalism. Click on the link in the description to find out more.